Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created a summer champagne smoky eye using the new Too Faced Sunset Stripped eyeshadow palette. Please like and comment. That really helps me out with the algorithm. I love filming makeup tutorials, and that's what my channel is all about. And we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. And here she is, the Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. I will have everything linked below in the description box. And the first shade I'm going in with is Butter Pecan on an Ariel A11. This is a really nice fluffy blending brush, and this is a warm transition shade. So I'm just going to blend this into my crease area all over, just bringing warmth to my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Nude Beach on a JH32 by Morphe. This is another fluffy blending brush, and this is a really good transition brown shade. It's my favorite everyday shade for the crease. I love this shade. It's just like the perfect brown. So I'm just blending this into my crease, adding some definition. It goes really, really well with Butter Pecan, so I'm just blending this out. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sun Chaser on an Ariel A20. This is a really, really good crease brush because it's like flat and fluffy, and I'm just blending this into the crease and mainly focusing on my outer crease just so I can add some definition and smokiness. This is a really, really good everyday brown shade to just build up some drama without overdoing it. Next, I'm going in with the shade Cocoa Glow on a JH38 by Morphe. This is a really nice, rich chocolate, dark brown shade, and I'm focusing this on my outer V, just using the tip of this brush. This is a really good, dense, precise blending brush, so I'm just adding a little bit of pigment, blending it out, building it up, keeping this and focusing it on the outer V. I'm then going in with an Ariel A11, the fluffy blending brush, and just blending everything out. I'm then going in with the copper shimmer in the palette. It's called Hey Honey, and these shimmers, once again, are just amazing. They're buttery smooth, oily, pigmented, nice, almost like metallic shades. Some of them are glitter toppers, eye toppers, but this shade is a really nice, smooth, copper metallic shade. And I'm just going to blend this with my finger all over my eyelid. And one of my favorite shimmers in the palette is called So So Hot. It's this really nice champagne light brown shimmer. And I'm just going to pack this between the coppery tone and the dark brown on the outer V. And then I'm going to go back in with Cocoa Glow on the JH38 and just blend that into the outer V. Next, I'm going in with the shade Black Sand on Ariel A18, And I'm going to smoke out my lash line, dragging this along the lash line, turning the brush sideways. I just want the lash line to be nice and smoky, nothing too harsh. I just want my eyelash line to look very voluminous and smoky. And I have a tutorial for my other eye, that pink smoky eye. I'll have it linked below. Next, I'm going in with the shade Sandy Cheeks, and this is a really nice glitter eye topper, and I'm just going to pack this on top of those shimmers. Going back in with the shade Nude Beach on an Ariel A20, and I'm just going to do the same thing on my bottom lash line, and I'm just going to blend out that matte brown to the bottom lash line. I'm then going to dust away any fallout. I'm then going to take the shade Cocoa Glow and a JH38, and I'm going to smoke out my outer V and my bottom lash line. I'm then going to apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. This is Perversion by Urban Decay. This is clearly my favorite because it's so small, I'm like running out. Then gonna apply Artist Couture Illuminati powder. It's like a loose highlight to my inner corner. This is a perfect champagne highlight. It's very sparkly and glittery, and I'm just touching this inner corner and on the shadow. Then going in with some mascara. This is Sky High by Maybelliner, my absolute favorite, and some Ardel Demi Wispies. And that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.